Dreaming of bringing your foreign fiancé to the United States? Picture it. Two hearts intertwined, a romance that spans continents, a love story that defies borders. These are the tales of international love that inspire us, that make us believe in the power of connection. But every epic love story comes with its own set of challenges. For those of you dreaming of bringing your foreign fiancé to the United States, you're embarking on a journey that is as complex as it is rewarding. It's a voyage that begins with the I-129F process, a critical step that paves the way for your loved one to join you on American soil. This process, while necessary, can be daunting, filled with forms, fees, and a maze of government regulations. But how does one navigate this complex process? The I-129F process, while crucial, can be intricate and daunting. It's a road paved with forms, legal requirements, and subtle nuances that can make or break your journey to love across international borders. So, what is the I-129F process? In a nutshell, it's the legal pathway that allows a U.S. citizen to bring their foreign fiancé to America. But like any journey, it's about more than just the destination. It's about navigating the twists and turns along the way. Let's start from the beginning. The first step is filling out the I-129F form, or the Petition for Alien Fiancé, E. This form is your ticket, your entry pass to the journey of love across borders. It requires careful attention to detail and complete honesty, but filling out the form is just the tip of the iceberg. Your application must also be accompanied by appropriate translations if any documents are not in English. It's like packing the right gear for a hike. You need to be well prepared and thorough. Then comes the part that often catches people off guard, the fees. As of April 1st, 2024, the fee for immigration applications, including the I-129F, has been adjusted. It's crucial to stay updated with these changes, as applications postmarked after this date must include the new fees. It's like checking the weather before you set sail. You need to be ready for the conditions you'll face. And let's not forget about the filing tips. These are like your compass, guiding you through the process and helping you avoid common pitfalls. Following these tips can be the difference between a smooth journey and a trip filled with obstacles. Sounds overwhelming, doesn't it? What if there was a way to simplify this journey? Meet NavasAutomation, your personal guide to the I-129F process. Navigating the intricate pathways of immigration can feel like a daunting task, but you're not alone. At NavasAutomation, we stand by your side, transforming complex procedures into a manageable journey. We are a team of seasoned immigration consultants with a deep understanding of the I-129F process. Our expertise is rooted in years of assisting individuals, just like you, in their endeavor to unite with their loved ones across borders. Yes, we've seen it all, the challenges, the triumphs, and we've learned how to streamline the process, making it as smooth as possible for you. Our commitment lies in simplifying your journey. We know the hurdles you might encounter along the way, the intricate form requirements, the precise translations, the tight deadlines. We're here to ensure you leap over these obstacles with ease. We break down the process into understandable steps, provide you with clear instructions, and offer timely reminders to keep you on track. With NavasAutomation, you're not just getting a service. You're gaining a partner, a guide, someone who understands the importance of your journey. We are here to shoulder the burden of bureaucracy, so you can focus on what truly matters, your dream of love and unity. Your dream doesn't have to be a struggle. NavasAutomation is here to guide you. Ready to take the next step in your journey to love? Let NavasAutomation guide you through this intricate process. We know that every love story is unique, and we're here to help you navigate yours with professionalism and compassion. Scheduling a call with us is as simple as a few clicks on our website. Don't let the complexities of immigration procedures deter you. With our expertise, we can help you understand the I-129F process and make it less daunting. Your American dream is within reach. Schedule a call with NavasAutomation today and bring your loved one home.